fungus among us. When dabbling with babbling, I sense the battle scene to the apocalypse. With this, you grab my cocculus. Be getting sort of punkery, getting with gas to save that ass, come stop the fucker. My style will leave you posing like a hitchhiker. Make me wanna bitch microphone, slap the shady ass with bullshit nigga. The fun is said you didn't think too hard of me, but once you feel the vocal side of me, you'll say you got it, G. I find the virgin ears, I'm busting raw pops. You're saving the drops, trying to analyze my DNA, the verbal blueprint. Even if you spend eternity, you're baffled, nigga. Having not the slightest clue of how I'm swinging, bringing styles that's flowing nastier than urine. See, my shit is pure and ghetto and better, demonic funk and all that good shit. A bad nigga when it comes to grabbing mics. I love all women of the spectrum. Fuck around, I'm stabbing dykes, and as I heard them, I converted. When it comes to honey dip skits, I'm leaving Portosaurus if you just deliver triplets. I flip shit. When niggas say the ruin doesn't rhyme slick, I yokes him in the Heimlich just to get that fucking garbage out your throat. Mentally hardcore, there be no God for defending against the shit I'm sending. Once you comprehending the ill funk aphrodisiac, giving the hoodies woodies as I'm fucking up the head like brass knuckles. Give a look.
I just get down and I go for mine. I just get down and I go for mine. I just get down and I go for mine. I just get down and I go for mine.
I beast the hellifying word weaver, even Ripley can't believe I pull a stun as if my name was Coke Fever, aka the Four Guy. I never store why, I'm hitting like Madeline. Get your funky whack new dictionary, look at the fat and you see my profile, so smart. You're grinning like the Joker cause I told to smoke a mic and let you witness, get this through your thick skull. My shit is deadly, I kicks my verse, niggas couldn't offer competition with the medley of they works. I smirks when booty niggas try and get this. Survival of the fittest, call me fucking Tony Atlas at the podium. I pause my sodium in open flesh wounds as I mesh tunes with the vocal joint to become the focal point. Brothers of funks who discover I be deeper than that nigga Larry Fishburne's cover, hover on the L. Sorta like a stealth in the night, then I makes the party jump even when it's full of white.
Listen up everybody, the bottom line. I just get down and I go for mine. Listen up everybody, the bottom line. I just get down and I go for mine.
My writing set enlightenment, the head just squints and hits into rewards of the Lord's charity. Receive with clarity, I heed skillful syllable is the brick. I stick in music more than linking and thinking, raising my border architect. I come to spark a tech, mind barrages, massages, come rest in peace. Vocal acupuncture, your stress release like a hobbit cracking my rhyme slacking, never that. Styles mysterious like under LL's hat. The curious become the furious and play the jury. Thus I'm found guilty, labeling my sound filthy with the gutter in my udder. A fat bitch goes, me, I cut her in pieces. Kill her sisters, daughters, and nieces. Anything related to such a thought. I crush, I fought hard, representing wicked jugging out mine. I breaks it down to your English. I makes it say I'm good at verbs deeper than a hook or strictly bowling 7 foot.
Just stopping.